Hello, good day everyone. My presentation in Philippine history is Santa Rosa's Plaza. Santa Rosa, Laguna's Plaza are centers around the historic Santa Rosa Arch. Originally built 1859 to 1860 as a guard tower replacement, rebuilt in 1925 with Art Deco flair, and serving as a key landmark in the town's evolution from Spanish outpost to modern city, often featuring the Rizal Monument and witnessing pivotal moments like World War II events. The plaza, part of a developing heritage square, reflects Santa Rosa's rich history from its founding by Saint Rose of de Lima to its economic boom. Revolutionary and War era. The plaza saw significant events including the execution of Makapilis, Japanese collaborators by local guerrillas during World War II, a stark contrast to its civic role. Heritage Square development. Santa Rosa is actively preserving its Spanish-era Poblacion town center around the church and plaza, creating a heritage zone with museums and old houses. The plaza's surroundings have transformed with industrialization, becoming a central point in what is now a fast-rising economic hub in South Luzon. In essence, Santa Rosa's Plaza, anchored by its iconic art, serves as a living museum connecting its Spanish colonial past, the struggles of the Revolution, the hardships of World War II, and its current status as a thriving city. Later on, the Spanish conquistador Juan de Salcedo, while exploring the Laguna Lake region, discovered Binyan, which was hence as a barrio to the town of Tabuco, now the town of Cabuyao. During that time, Santa Rosa was part of Binyan and was called Barrio Bukol. Later in 1688, Binyan together with Barrio Bukol separated from Cabuyao. Barrio Bukol in turn was politically emancipated in January 18, 1792. As the municipality of Santa Rosa, the town was named after Saint Rose of Lima of Peru, under whose protection and patronage it was consecrated to. And this is Rizal Monument. The plaza hosts a monument to national hero Jose Rizal, a common feature in Philippine town squares symbolizing national identity. During the revolutionary period, Santa Rosa was instrumental in the proclamation of Philippine independence from Spain when it signed the Act of Independence on June 12, 1898. Later on, the town's local revolutionaries fought alongside the forces of General Pio del Pilar during the short-lived Filipino-American War. People of the municipality were still largely dependent on basic agriculture and family-owned enterprises for livelihood during the post-war era. Until the 1970s, the influence of industrialization slowly took shape in the 1980s with the entry of local and foreign investors who were instrumental in the rapid economic and social transformation of the town. And that is the history of Santa Rosa Plaza, how one of the beautiful places in Laguna was formed. That is the history of how Santa Rosa came to have a plaza. That is my presentation for Philippine history. Thank you all very much and God bless everyone.